Hey GLR family, Nicole with the Good Life Refuge here with the weekly update. We had 5 animals at the vet. We started with Stormy for wound debridement, all looks great there. And then we had Blueberry going in for another limb perfusion for her leg infection. She will need more and potentially more antibiotic treatment, but we'll see how it goes. And then we had 3 animals going up to CSU. Pearl went in for a recheck for her skin cancer and all looks great there. And then we had Juniper going back up for lameness that wouldn't resolve with pain management. And we did some x-rays and blood work and all the fun things here for Juniper. And we also had Buffy going up because she was pretty lame in her front. So Buffy was determined that she has osteoarthritis in all 4 limbs, unfortunately, and they also found some masses that we aspirated. Still waiting for the results there. Preliminary looked okay, but there's also always a chance that when pathology looks at it that it might be different. So she's been going on pain medications to help her with her pain. And then Juniper, turns out she has a chronic fracture in her hind leg. She will need more rest and containment, and then hopefully this will resolve for Juniper as well. But bad news for her, she cannot be with her pig friends. And we're glad we have them all back. It was interesting because we also had a lot of snow, which made it hard this week to maneuver animal care and get animals to the vet and back home from the vet, but it worked out just beautifully. And this was a very expensive visit. It cost about $1,700. So if you feel it in your heart to support us and our animals and help us offset the medical cost for them, we really would appreciate a helping hand. You can donate through our website at goodliferefuge.org. And with that, I will see you next week with our next update. I hope you guys got nicely through the snow, and I'm wishing you a wonderful weekend.